The bulk of the time, it is a seller's insurance company that is having to take care of problems so that the house can finalize through a sale.
One of the main factors is the time factor during the real estate transaction. So once we have an accepted offer, inspections are done, and we need to bring Michaelis in to perform work, we're about within a 30-day window. So usually, actually, to break that down closer, we're looking at a 2-week window for them to get in, get the repairs made, have a post-inspection done to make sure the repairs were done properly and meet the buyer's standards. Projects that we come up with are crawl space issues, mold issues, water damage, and this is usually not known when our clients put their homes up for sale. It's usually identified during the inspection process. So an inspector will identify a problem, and the potential buyer will ask for that to be repaired. So what we do is call Michaelis.
They're diligent in making phone calls back, communicative through the whole process. And then when it's done, it's actually done. There's nothing else to do. They don't have to call another guy. They don't have to make another mess out of something. It's all handled.